In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Revolut debit card. So the first thing you need to do is you need to install the Revolut application if you haven't already, which is completely free on both the Google Play Store and the App Store, so please be sure to go ahead and install it. Now afterwards, it is going to prompt you to create an account. To create an account, you will need to input information such as your full name, your address, your date of birth, and other types of ID to actually verify that it is actually you. So you may need to go ahead and use like a state ID or like a passport, etc. in order to actually verify. And then from there, it is going to prompt you to actually make your account. And typically, whenever you create your account, it's going to ask you if you want the debit card. So that's where you would go ahead and order it. But if you went ahead and already created an account, but you skip that process, you are still able to actually get the Revolut debit card. And the way to do that is to open up the app, go to the top right, press over here on the debit card icon. And then you guys are able to go ahead and press over here where it says add new. And then you guys can go ahead and choose either a virtual card, a physical card, etc. We have a credit card. We also do have a kids card as well. So let's just go ahead and stick with virtual card right over here. You're able to go ahead and actually select on a design you like. Then you will need to go ahead and get the card. And of course, you will need to confirm your name and your mailing address so that they're actually able to mail you the debit card. But from there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.